We are Zhongshan Changsheng Mental Products Limited Corporation. I'm sales manager Zhongshan. I'm sales manager Naki Huang. This is our new factory. We have moved to this factory since January of 2022. Our new factory is situated in Sanjiao town of Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province of China. The total building of this of our new factory is 7 floors. The ground floor and the first floor is for work production. It's for production workshop. And at the right hand of our building is for our office and showroom. And the second floor is for our packing and powder coating process. The third floor and above is for our packing material warehouse and the finished product warehouse. And here is our container loading place. We can load 3 containers at one time. The total area of our new factory is 42,000 square meters. Each layer is 6,000 square meters. Our factory has 22 years manufacturing experience of well shelving. We have already exporting to over 60 countries market. Our annual output is 1,000 pieces 40 HQ container at the moment. But this new factory can produce over 3,000 pieces 40 HQ container annually. Now let's go inside and to see our production workshop.